First, let's start by writing out our text. Next, change the text color to your desired shade. Now, we'll add the text that we want to change. Type out the first word, then press enter to add the next one. Repeat this process for all the words you want to include. Change the color of each word individually. Frame the text and position it at the end of the first sentence. Click on the frame, then select on the clip content. Hold the Command key or Control if you're on a PC, while dragging the frame to cover the rest of the words. Select all the text, then group them together by placing them into a frame. Duplicate frames of the text by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Now, it's time to change the text. Double-click on the last word and use the arrow keys to bring up the words below. Repeat this for the remaining words. When you're done, select all the text and turn them into a component set. Go to the Prototype tab, and now we'll link everything together. Change the trigger from on-click to after delay with a duration of 300 milliseconds. For the animation, choose Smart Animate. Connect the second text to the third one, the third to the fourth, and finally, connect the fourth back to the first. Head back to design mode and create a couple of duplicates of your components. Press Command or Control C to copy and Command V to paste them into your design. Since they're pretty small, let's scale them up to a better fit. Finally, let's preview your work. For the second animation, let's start by typing out our text. I'll set the font size to 200 and change the color. Next, draw a frame and place the letter inside it. Remove the fill from the frame and duplicate it. In the second frame, adjust the text to the top. Select both frames and turn them into a component set. Switch over to prototype mode and link the two letters together. Change the trigger from on-click to while hovering and change the animation from instant to Smart Animate with an ease in and out curve. Duplicate the component set. Adjust the text in the duplicated set. Duplicate the component set 3 more times, making adjustments to the text each time. Head back to design mode and create a frame. Drag out copies of your letters and place them in the frame, adjusting them so they're centered. Now, let's preview the animation. And there you have it, a bouncing text animation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. See you in the next one. Bye!